Hello, this is Creole Can. I'm going to talk about this stupid sensor on this New Holland tractor. This is a water separator sensor that was indicate when there's water within the fuel in the first stage filter. It has like a little rampart or parapet that keeps the fluid around this little plug or nipple. Whenever it fills up, if you're loosening up the adapter, it'll leak out that little hole. But if you look real carefully where my thumb is at, there's a little rubber gasket. If that gasket starts wearing out, what happens is you start getting leaks. And with the price of fuel being high and me leaking diesel all over the place, what I did on my original sensor, because this one does not fit, this one here is a little bit wider. I bought this through some eBay seller from out of Turkey. This sensor, by the way, is over $130 to $170 from the New Holland dealers locally. So what I did is I cheated. On my original sensor, because that little gasket thing is wearing out, I went and got a pack of O-rings and I just laid an O-ring up there and screwed my sensor back in, and that stopped my leak. So we come over here, and if you look very carefully at this adapter, this is the plug where my finger is at. This is the plug. You just basically push in the middle of this little bar and you can pull it off, and then you can unscrew the sensor out. So this sensor is plugged into the first stage or water separator filter, and it does cause leaks. So just keep that in mind. If you want a quick, easy fix, just like use anything, just lay a piece of cardboard down or bucket and just catch any fluid to see if you're still dripping anything out of the on the side of the tractor. Outside of that, I hope this saves you a little bit of money. These little sensors are expensive as anything is electronics, and you can't really buy this from any other third party. You have to pretty much go to the dealer, which makes it even ridiculous because they want way too much money for this stuff. But I'll play around with this new sensor I bought. I'm gonna try to unscrew this little sleeve and see if it's the right size there. But it is, I got this like $60 shipped, or sorry, $70 shipped from online. But it's not exactly the correct one. The plug side is correct, but that nipple side is a little bit wider. We all can. Hope this helps. New Holland.